We must work for Twekwe. We must work for all the victims of Omotoso. The EFF, once the GNU collapsed and they say the EFF goes into cabinet, we arrest Omotoso afresh and build a proper case, because Omotoso cannot do to our children what he did and still be free on our streets. I advise Omotoso, if it's still early, please, they gave you bail, just run and run very fast. Because if the EFF finds you, you are going to jail. Even that principal who is being handled differently compared to other suspects, the principal that raped Twekwe must know that we are coming for him, we are going to arrest him, and we are going to arrest all those who are raping our children. How do you rape a 7-year-old child if you are normal in your head? How did you even qualify to be a principal for that matter? Because it means it is not for the first time he's doing what he did to this little girl. Fighters, we call upon all those victims of that principal to come out. If they were scared, they must now come out so that he can be exposed. Everybody must know he's not good to work with children.